Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fix paper jam in HP OfficeJet 7612 printer. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to repairing the printer and getting it working again. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.